हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू कोड फॉर प्लेसमेंट। आज के इस वीडियो में हम लोग देखने जा रहे हैं हाउ टू क्रिएट अ चैट जीपीटी क्लोन वर्जन एंड दिस इज द एप्लीकेशन विच वी विल बी गेटिंग इन द एंड। ये एक वेब ऐप है। अगर हम लोग लोकल सर्वर में रन करेंगे तो आप देख रहे हैं, हम जैसे भी क्वेश्चन आई एम गोइंग टू गिव इट, इट इज़ गिविंग अस अ सेम रिस्पॉन्स लाइक चैट जीपीटी। ठीक है, तो अभी हम आज इसे में क्रिएट करने जा रहे हैं। सो फॉर क्रिएटिंग दिस आई एम going to give a command to ChatGPT to generate a code of the Python Flash server with a slash prompt route using the post method to take the string and use the OpenAPI to send the string and the prompt response to the ChatGPT and generate the code. Exactly, I typed to the next. I am getting the code for that, and then I can ask ChatGPT to write the full code for the default route. Once I have done to the instructed to that, ChatGPT is given the right for that. Once I have received the ChatGPT all the responses, I am going to write all the prompt route or the entire code for this. So basically, this query I have given to the ChatGPT, and ChatGPT has writing me the bootstrap as well as HTML and Python code for this. So once I have received the code from ChatGPT, I will be opening the Visual Studio editor to create file structures. Okay, so I will be here, I'm just going to create two files. One is for Python, another is for index.html file, and I pasted the file and then I execute it. Okay, once I have saved that file and run it, you can see the application is already running in front of you. This is how I will be running my local host Python. I am also using this Python server for OpenAI like API, and this will be helpful for me to run the code, and this is one of the best and easiest way to get the code from the ChatGPT and run it in the Visual Studio. And the locally you can see it is already live on local host, which is to 127.0.0 and 5000 port. So whatever the question I am giving, like who you are, I'm person, or what is your name, my name is, so these all are the already feeded data which is going to be given by the ChatGPT. So it is giving me complete response. Thank you so much guys. Do subscribe to Code for Placement and stay tuned with us. Thank you.